Okay, so I'm just doing a little bit of a update video today. I've been like working a couple hours a day for like the last 4 or 5 days on kind of getting things reorganized in the garage workshop. I've got some lights worked out and some power to and some power to my new workbench, kind of. And right now I'm sorting out and putting in bins all my different bits of steel. I'm just going to give an overview of that for now. So it looks like we got some mail. So I wonder what this means. These look to be 2x72 belts. For some reason, I ordered some 2x72 belts from Combat Abrasives. Feel free to speculate. So what I got was the Combat Test Kit Level 1. It came with 16 belts, all different grit, like, one of certain grits, 2 of other grits, and different like backings and stuff. And then they sent whatever this is. AA320 belt. It's aluminum oxide. It looks to be the 72 inches, but like a 1, but it's got like this weird edge on it. So I don't know. If you know what this is for, let me know. Anybody who's watching, because I'm really confused. But so now I'm just going to give a little tour of what I've been working on. Okay, so first off, we have a light on the workbench, and these lights over here, and they're wired on a switch here, so I can shut the lights off at the bench or over by the door there. There's a 3-way switch there, so I can switch off, like if I need dark while I'm filming, I can flip that off. And then I got some files, draw knives, and clamps hung up there. Saw that I've got this power strip ran here, kind of comes around to there. The orange cord is my power to my table, and it's constant. And then this splitter here is ran off of the light switch. But I have another surprise coming. This one isn't a surprise. I am going to be having a flux core welder sometime, whenever it decides to ship from Harbor Freight. I know it's not great. It's the Harbor Freight 125 flux core, but it's something for me to start learning on and to just do some small projects for myself, make some tools that I need. And this little cart here for now, temporarily, until I can weld up a cart or table, will be, I'm going to put a shelf down on the bottom there to set the welding machine on, and then have it come up, and I'm going to mount a vise on top of it. And then what I've been working on today mostly, after finishing up the electrical stuff, is sorting out different bits and bobs of metal into these. So this is kind of my A-grade railroad spikes. They're pretty straight and not pitted. These are the B, C, D, and D grade. They're bent or pitted or pretty much rusted through. Here I have railroad clips. And here is all just miscellaneous bits and bobs of unknown steel and unknown origin. So that's kind of it for today. I was just giving a little update video. Things are coming along here. And hoping to be doing more projects regularly and more videos regularly. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe.